Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create text wavy line in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to create text wavy line. At first, go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Then write anything. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and increase the font size. Then applying the bold effect. Then select the box, go to the shape format menu, choose shape fill, make no fill and choose shape outline, choose no outline. Then select again the text, click and drag on our mouse and select the text effect and select the transform. We can see here many effects. Now I am select the wave. You can add wave down or wave up. Now I am select the wave down. Then resize the text. We can see we create text wavy line easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.